everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today my video is all about getting dressed in the morning. How to get dressed easily. How to make the process as painless as possible. I have some tips and tricks. Let's get right into it. The first step and the most painful step in the process is to organize your closet. You have to take the time to take everything out of your closet, every single item. This takes an enormous amount of time. Take inventory. This is the very first thing. Take inventory, see what you have, pull everything out. When you're putting everything back, every single item deserves its own hanger. If it's not special enough to have its own hanger, you must get rid of it. So organize everything, meaning denim with denim, long sleeve shirts with long sleeve shirts, t-shirts with t-shirts, casual wear all together, work wear all together, event dresses and dressy clothing all together. So separate all of your clothes, and when putting it back into your closet, put it in sections. Like I said, workwear all together. So when you're getting dressed in the morning, you don't have a go out dress in the middle of your workwear. It's all together. Okay, when you are organizing your closet, you have to try every single item on. It is exhausting. It is tedious, but it must happen because sometimes something is hanging in your closet, you think you still love it, and then you try it on and realize, oh, actually I don't really love this, or maybe the style has changed or the fit has changed, and you're thinking, oh, you know, I thought I loved this, but now I see it on and I'm really not crazy about it. So create piles. Donate pile, sell pile, keep pile. And this will help you kind of cycle through everything, decide what you want, what you don't want. If you have a piece and you have an emotional attachment to it and you don't know if it needs to go or stay, ask somebody else and they will be honest with you 9 times out of 10. When you create piles like donate, sell, and keep, it really helps you kind of get rid of items because you don't feel so bad about it. Like, oh my God, I spent so much money on this, I didn't really wear it. You know, if you're going to donate it, obviously you're going to feel good about it. You're going to get your tax benefit from it as well. And then if you have something that's super expensive, but say the fit wasn't great or you didn't love it, you can sell it and then you make money back and frees up money for other things. Once you organize your closet and start bringing everything back in and start looking at everything, anything that is stained or damaged in any way must go. Even if it's a designer piece, if you can't fix it, if you can't take it to the dry cleaners and get it fixed, you must get rid of it because you will not wear it. If it has an oil stain on it, if it has any kind of damage, food, whatever it is, you have to get rid of it. You have to say goodbye. Maybe you can sell it, maybe you can pass it on, but you aren't wearing it because it's damaged, so it has to go. Okay, my next piece of advice is to have a section in your closet for your new items. Anything that you have bought and it is new needs to stay together. If you buy it and just hang it in your closet, a lot of times people forget, oh my God, I bought something, you know, life goes on, you forget, and there it is hanging in the closet 6 months later, tags on it. Meanwhile, you've bought that item many times over and over and over again because you've forgotten you've bought it. So keep all of your new items together. This will really aid in the ease of using your stuff and not doing impulse buying. What I mean by that is if you buy something and you haven't worn it within 2 weeks and it is in season, you have to return it. This means usually it's an impulse buy and you will not wear it. So keep all of your new items that you've just purchased together and really monitor it and keep all your receipts. And if you haven't worn it and it's in season within 2 weeks, chances are you're definitely not going to wear it and you're going to have to return it. This will really help with impulse purchases. I find that with my clients, when I have them keep their new items together that they have purchased on their own, a lot of times they end up returning stuff because they realize, oh my God, I have 72 black blouses. I don't need another black blouse. So there it goes, back to the store, and it helps keep your closet wearable. It helps keep you, you know, cycling through your wardrobe and using what you buy. My other piece of advice is if you bought something and it's not in season, let's say you bought a winter coat in July, it was on sale, designer piece, you know, tuck that piece in with your winter clothing. That way it's not you know, taking up space in your closet and you're utilizing your wardrobe and your space. When putting all your new pieces together, if it's in a special occasion dress, keep it together with your new pieces. Just so you're aware of what you've got for your special occasion and it's with your new pieces, and you know, hey, I have an event coming up in 2 weeks. I have my dress or my outfit prepared for that event. It's within my newly purchased items. It's kind of like the old saying, out of sight, out of mind. And I think wardrobe is much like that. If things are tucked away and you can't see them and everything is a mess, then you don't cycle through your wardrobe. Okay, another really important tip I have for you is I want you, through this process, to look at your laundry bin at the end of 2 weeks. Sorry, my dog is in here. Look at your laundry bin at the end of 2 weeks and really look and see what you have worn for 2 weeks. This is super duper helpful. It helps you really see what you're wearing. I also want you to take outfit pictures every day for 2 weeks. Just a quick shot, doesn't have to be like, you know, a lifetime shot for Instagram. It, you know, a quick, easy shot so you can see what you're wearing for 2 weeks. This really helps you evaluate your own personal style and helps you see, do you like what you're wearing? Do you like your look? Do you like, you know, the vibe you're doing? Or maybe you don't like it and you're like, oh, actually, I really don't like what I'm wearing. I'm actually not utilizing my clothes, so I need to, you know, maybe take a step back and really evaluate the pictures. This really helps in the process of evaluating your own personal style and if you're cycling through your clothes. Sometimes people just buy stuff to buy it. They hang it in their closet. I actually know someone who does this. They buy stuff to buy it, they hang it in their closet, and then they never wear it. They always wear the same thing, and it's just like a rut. And I mean, I can tell you that I evaluate my wardrobe all the time. I evaluate what I'm wearing by taking pictures every day. It is super duper helpful. And when you look at your laundry for the end of 2 weeks, you can see, oh my God, those jeans, I love those jeans. I'm wearing them a lot. I need, you know, a couple more pairs, maybe a couple different colors. This is really super duper helpful. It will really help you evaluate if you're using your wardrobe, if you're wearing your clothes, what you're wearing so much of. Maybe you're wearing the same shirt over and over again. Okay, there's no problem with it. If you love that shirt, wear that shirt. But maybe you need to get that shirt in a bunch of different colors. Or maybe there's a certain jacket you love. You need to repurchase that jacket and maybe in a different color or a different texture. This is such an important step, and I highly recommend this to my clients when we first start working together. I want to see, what are you wearing? And then when you do that, you can say, okay, I like this look, but I want to make it more playful. It's too uptight for me, or maybe I want it to be more professional looking, or maybe I need to, you know, focus more on my hair. You know, maybe I'm being lazy with certain things. It's super duper helpful to evaluate your own personal style and your own look. Another piece of advice I have for you guys when getting dressed in the morning and the ease of getting dressed and cycling through your wardrobe is to update your wardrobe. Once you've organized it and went through it, a lot of times you can really see holes in your wardrobe. Maybe you don't have any white blouses. Maybe you need to update your denim. Right now, high-waisted denim are everything. I didn't want to do high-waisted denim. I thought, oh my God, I'm going to look like I have a mom butt, like this long, flat, big butt, da-da-da. But styles do change and they do get better, and fit does change. Fit is the one thing that really makes a difference. Something can come back in trend and cycle back through, but the fit is always different. So my point is, add some new pieces to your wardrobe, update your denim every year. And so long gone, I believe, is the day of spending $400 on a pair of jeans. Now you can go to ASOS, get an amazing pair of denim and the proper fit for a very good price. And the flip side to that is, buy 2 or 3 pairs of really good denim, expensive denim, and just wear them. Kill them for the year. Wear them all the time, and then next year update. So I really believe in adding in pieces every season that make your wardrobe fresh. And then it's fun to get dressed and you're enjoying it because you're like, hey, I've got some new fresh pieces, and it's exciting. Like, for instance, this spring lavender is huge color. It's so on trend. So I plan on getting some lavender pieces. I don't know what they are yet. Maybe a flowy dress for the spring or a puffy blouse. But add a few new pieces every season, and it will keep your wardrobe fun, it'll keep it exciting, and it keeps it playful. Another piece of advice I have for you guys when getting dressed in the morning, and overall just aiding in the ease of getting dressed and the comfort of getting dressed, is to evaluate your shoe collection. I know this is very hard. All my clients are so emotional about their shoes, in particular shoes and boots, but you have to go through your shoes and boots, like I said, have a glass of wine, have a mimosa, and really evaluate. If your shoes are scuffed to hell, if you're missing chunks of leather in the heel, or the heel tap is gone, or the shape is completely gone, you have to move on. You don't want to invest in like a couple really expensive shoes that are really going to carry your wardrobe. You're not that girl. That's okay. Forever 21 has great shoes. I myself have bought shoes from Forever 21 that look like Sergio Rossi, that look super expensive and amazing and are on trend. So if you're just looking for a couple key pieces, do that. If your vibe is more designer, and you're thinking, oh my God, I spent $500 on those shoes, they're destroyed. Girl, you have to move on. If you go through your shoes and boots and clean everything out, you'll see holes like, oh, I need some red booties, or oh, I need another good pair of black booties. My go-to black booties are dead. They don't owe me $1. They don't owe me anything. You've worn them for years. Time to evaluate that. And it makes getting dressed easy because you like what you have in your wardrobe. And it sounds simple and basic, but it's true. If things are in good condition, you like wearing them, they look good. It's really that basic. So go through your shoes and boots. It is difficult, it is emotional, but it has to be done. On a monthly basis, to have a day, maybe pour yourself a mimosa on a Sunday, a Sunday afternoon, have a day to prepare your wardrobe. To prepare your wardrobe meaning everything that needs to be cleaned goes to the dry cleaner. Everything that needs to be ironed is in a pile and it's ironed or steamed. It's very important because sometimes when you go into your closet, maybe you're feeling a certain blouse or a certain dress and it's completely wrinkled. You do not have time to do it. You need to get dressed. You need to get to your work. You need to get to your appointment. So organize your wardrobe by cleaning, steaming, and pressing it. When that is done, it aids in the ease of getting dressed. And if you're all of a sudden feeling an item and it's prepared, you're ready to go. Okay, another tip I have for you guys is to keep all your accessories together. There is nothing worse, I've seen it many times, where a client will have her wardrobe or his wardrobe in the closet, then they have their accessories down the hall, and then they have their shoes over there, and then, oh, hang on, there's a blouse I like in the basement. No. Keep your accessories together. Keep all your necklaces, hats, gloves, scarves, all of it, handbags, shoes, these are all accessories. Keep them in the same general vicinity. It will aid in the ease of getting dressed. You will be able to get dressed faster and easier because things are together. It does sound simple, but you have to keep your stuff together. It doesn't have to look perfect, but all your necklaces are together, all your earrings are together, all your scarves are together, all your hats are together. Remember, when you're getting dressed, accessories are really important. It's like styling a room. Like you're buying all your furniture, you put all the furniture in the room, but you don't put any candles, vases, pictures. There's no accessories. It's just furniture in a room. That's how you need to view your outfit. Without accessories like jewelry, a necklace, buttons, a scarf, it's just basic. It's not elevated. An outfit is a lot more stylish with accessories, even if it's just a pair of earrings. Even if it's just like an amazing scarf. A hat, if you put a hat on, all of a sudden you're stylish. Hats are just so incredible and they really do elevate a look. But my point is, keep all these things together so when you're getting dressed, it's all in the same area. And my last piece of advice, getting dressed, feeling good, and wanting to get dressed in the morning is to feel good about yourself. So if that means, taking some time to work out, that's what it means. If it means, taking some time for yourself, whether that's like a pedicure, a manicure, reading a good book, going out with your girlfriends and decompressing, I think it's so important to feel good about yourself and getting dressed, they go hand in hand. So take the time for yourself, whatever it may be, wherever you get enjoyment, whatever your process is. I see it with my clients all the time. When my clients take a little bit of time for themselves to de-stress, to decompress, it helps them in the morning when they get dressed because they feel good. They want to wear their clothes. They want to express themselves. They want to show a certain vibe, whether it's professional, whether it's playful, whatever your vibe is, you want to do it because you feel good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Going forward with my channel, I want to do more content for you guys. I have a lot of people message me and say, I love you, I like what you're doing, but we don't see you enough. And I agree. So my New Year's resolution is to do more videos, give you guys more content, and if you have suggestions, you want to see something from me, ask me, put it in the down bar. I read all the comments. I always enjoy reading comments. I always enjoy communicating, and I am a stylist, so I do work with a lot of clients. I do have a lot to share with you guys, and that is my intent for this coming year, is to just give you more styling information and share more tips and tricks. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.